Take a look at the requirements for security architect or CISO roles. These positions command some of the highest salaries in the industry, and they consistently prioritize one specific credential to verify the strategic oversight required at the executive level. High failure rates persist even among seasoned engineers. The difficulty lies in the transition from a technical troubleshooting mindset to the specific decision-making framework required for this certification. This is the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CISSP, governed by ISC². Most IT certifications measure operational proficiency, your ability to configure a firewall or deploy a tool. This exam evaluates your ability to make risk-based decisions and design enterprise-level programs. It requires you to align technical defense directly with long-term business goals. This specific focus on business alignment has led the industry to recognize it as the MBA of cybersecurity. That focus on business alignment creates a significant hurdle. It explains why professionals with deep technical expertise often struggle to find the correct answers during the exam. The difference in operational focus is distinct. An engineer's instinct is to solve technical problems immediately. A CISSP certified professional evaluates the situation through the lens of business risk, governance, and long-term strategy. Consider this scenario. A malicious traffic spike hits your network. You have two paths: block the IP addresses immediately, or assess the business impact of that traffic first. An engineer often blocks the traffic immediately to stop the spike. However, that block might inadvertently disable a critical sales application. The CISSP framework requires assessing the impact and analyzing the risk before applying a control. The exam demands decision-making within this business context. Mastering this shift in perspective changes how the industry views your professional capabilities. To achieve that perspective, you must navigate a broad curriculum organized into 8 distinct domains of knowledge. Rather than memorizing a disconnected list, view these domains as a structural framework. Business strategy forms the base, which supports the information security program at the top. The first 4 pillars are security and risk management, asset security, architecture and engineering, and network security. The structure is completed by identity and access management, assessment and testing, security operations, and software development. A weakness in one pillar threatens the entire system. Success depends on understanding how these 8 areas interconnect to protect the organization. To manage this volume of information, we are following a 100-day study plan designed for systematic progression. This plan moves through 4 phases: establishing foundations, mastering each individual domain, solving complex practice questions, and executing a final strategic revision. We will cover one concept per day in 10-minute sessions. Focused, daily consistency produces better results than high-intensity cramming. Let's test today's core concept. What is the primary purpose of the CISSP certification? The correct answer is to demonstrate broad cybersecurity leadership knowledge. The exam is designed to prove you can manage a security program at scale. By internalizing this managerial focus today, you have already completed the first step of the journey. Tomorrow, for day 2, we will decode the actual exam pattern and the mechanics behind the scoring system. If you are ready to build this managerial mindset over the next 100 days, subscribe and comment Day 1 complete below to lock in your commitment. The path to certification starts now.